Assalamualaikum, welcome back my channel with another tutorial in which we learn motion change animated welcome slide like this. So let's begin. How can we make this type of fantastic slide in just 2 minutes? First of all, go to the insert, go to the new slide and take blank slide like this. So what to do next? Just go to the insert, go to the shape, take a shape rectangle here and just draw the rectangle on the complete slide. Okay, now here is a shape fill. Go with the shape fill gradient and no, first of all change its color with the lighter color, any type of lighter color, and then shape fill and go to the gradient, and hereby we can select any gradient color that you want if you want it, not compulsory. So what to do next? Shape outline and go it with no outline. So after that go to the insert again and here is a option of text box here. You can write text box and write a welcome in a capital letters. Then what to do next? Just select your text, go to the home and hereby select the font. I hereby select Rockwell Extra Bold. So hereby change the font size. Let's suppose we set it 95 and check. Yes, it's good. Somehow more broader. Let's 100. Now check. Yes, it's good. 110. Yes, it is more good. So after some experiment, I make it 130 here. So again, select your text and here is the option insert. So select your text, right click and there is the option format text effect. Go with that option and there is the option vertical alignment. Just go with middle centered. So select middle centered, it will go on the middle centered. You can see that. After that, go on the insert and text box and insert a text box here and you can see, you can write here, this is our first slide, this is our welcome slide. So I just make it Calibri body and set it size 30. So what to do next? So now select this rectangle, select right click and select this text box along with that, this text box, and so I simply here press Ctrl A, go to the shape format, go to the merge shape and hereby I go with subtract the shape. So that how I select three boxes at that time, both text boxes and background. Go to the shape format, go to the merge shape and again I told you go with the subtract. After that I hereby copy this picture. You can choose a picture according to your own choice or you can insert the picture from the desktop or any other option from your PC and just you have to paste the picture here. Okay, simply Ctrl plus V and paste the picture. Now set this picture on the slide. Just drag the picture like this. Okay, and set it on the complete rectangle. Now right click and option, here is the option send to the back and then another option is you can just set it to send to the back. Now I hereby select another picture and just copy it and again paste this picture here. Put this picture on that side, make it somehow zoom out and set your picture like that. Okay, somehow zoom in, it will look like that. So put it side equal. Just give it little bit difference. Go to the insert, go to the shape, select the shape rectangle and draw it here like that. Now it's time to give effect. Select this picture and then this picture together with the help of control and select. Go to the transition. There are the option add animation. Go to the animation and go to the add animation. You can see there are different options. Go in the tab of the motion path and select the type line. Okay. After that, this is your line and here is the effect option. Go to the effect option and go to the left because it will move to the right to left. So you can see here is an arrow. Just select these arrow and drag these arrow at the end of the pen because we want that when it swipe it will look like complete. After that there is another animation, this arrow. So put this arrow and go to the on that pen, almost on that pen, so that it will cover a complete pen together. And the last but not least, select this picture, right click and send to the back because we don't want to send it complete. Just click on the send backward. So you can exchange or exceed the time of the animations from here and now just see the magic. So your final slide will be look like that. For more tutorials, stay tuned with my channel and don't forget to subscribe. I already put another tutorials link in my description. Must see that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.